Well, my clients won the offer. Got the home inspector up on the roof right now. We're gonna go tour around everything. Clients are inside, and it's a great day because most of the snow is melted off, so we can really kind of check everything. It's gonna be even nicer tomorrow, I think. So let's go check on the inspection process.
Here. Yeah. So you guys have any questions, I can go over it. So again, it usually circulates or it goes outside. Yours goes into the garage, okay. Which we don't want that, you know, all the dust and debris goes into your garage on your cars. It also can cause a fire. Okay.
That's hanging off.
Your door, it needs to be an automatic closing mechanism. So if you open the door is supposed to shut by itself. The reason why, just in case you leave your car on in the garage, carbon monoxide comes in, or if there's a fire in the garage. This is fire rated door. You just need to make sure that door shuts.
All right, so it's just.
It's got the right. It has the right hinges on it. They just need to be. It's like an Allen key or something, right?
Yes. So it's supposed to shut completely, just in case there is a fire.
Right.
Okay. I don't know if you were in here when I said about the countertops.
No, go ahead.
The countertops are loose. Should be secured. This one should be secured. The door should be secured.
Right.
Your garbage disposal works. Here's your shutoffs for your water dishwasher under here. I'm running a cycle. I turned on your stove, oven, and top. It just doesn't have a anti-tip mechanism, so we secure that to the ground. Easy fix, nothing expensive. Your refrigerator is good to go. Just didn't have an ice machine, but it is functioning right now, both cooling, top and bottom. You're sitting in front of the camera.
Okay.
Any questions in here? The homeowners, they had a company they use all the time, and that way you get on the service also.
Right.
They can come out here and service also.
This looks pretty new here.
I looked it up, I think it was a 21,
Okay.
2021 temperature filter. They put nice little lines in, they shut off for your oil. If this starts to leak here, this is where you shut it off. Otherwise it's over here on the big tank behind you, okay? Your humidifier.
Wait a minute, there's a shut off over there, too?
It should
The emergency shutoff switch.
What?
Emergency shutoff switch.
Oh, yes.
That's on the stairs coming down.
So, humidifier, change the filter once a year in the fall when you turn it on there. You don't want to put moisture out in the summertime, so make sure this is turned off. And when you soon you get the AC turned on, okay? Here's your condensation pump. Your radon mitigation system. Probably up in your attic, there's a fan somewhere. I didn't see anything outside yet. Usually there's a fan, you can see the suction line. You never want it to be level. Okay? If it's level, then it's bad. Okay? Sometimes you can feel the vibration of the fan. You come down, you can make sure it stays in the jet. Okay?
Another inspection in the books. I will put Josh's information down below, but he is with Pillar to Post. Phenomenal home inspector. He's been doing my inspections for give or take 10 years now, and he just does a great job. So a couple things that we found we're probably going to ask for. And earlier today, I got a call from the listing agent. The sellers already had a scheduled clean out on the septic, and they found that it had failed. Never a good thing when you're coming to do a home inspection, but they've already said they're going to replace it, and it shouldn't take too long. And we're just going to keep trucking along and dealing with the issues as they come. So I'm off to the next appointment. Clients are super happy, and that's really what matters to me. We'll see you on the next one.